welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I'm going to have a very quick video for you. I got two things in the mail and I know one of them I'm going to be sending back, and I just wanted to discuss these things with you and show you these things in case you were wanting these items for yourself and you were wondering how they fit and what size you should get. All right, so first up, I mentioned in a previous video that I had a gift card for Bloomingdale's, and I've been desiring those faux Spanx joggers. You see them all over on Instagram, the Facebook, everywhere. They're ads where they show the young girl with the cute perky button up, right? So then you're like, I have to get those joggers, right? Like Spanx, I typically size up to a size small. I can tell you, I know somebody who also is roughly my size, maybe a little bit smaller than me, and the small was too big for her. So if you're in between sizes, go with the smaller size. If you're, a solid, small or extra or a solid medium in Spanx, you always size up to a large, then size up. But if you're kind of in between and like, oh, I can go either way, get the regular size. So I size up to a small. I say that these fit me, but honestly, I don't see the $150 or it's $148. I don't see that $148 price tag. Now I got mine for less because I had coupons and whatnot, but they're still $125. And honestly, I think I can get the same fit from Loft and get a pair of one of their faux leather joggers. But I wanted to show you these now in case you were coveting these like I was. And, they look so great on the model. But honestly, I mean, I love Spanx products, and I have their faux leather leggings. But these just aren't doing it for me. All right, so here they are. And I'll stand back. All right, so they have the pork chop pockets here in front. Here's the back. They fit, I think they're my size. They're just not anything spectacular. So for $125, I'd rather spend my money on something that sparks joy. And these are okay, not $125 or really $148 is what they wanted. So, here they are, and I just don't think they're doing anything fantastic for me. All right, next up, I'm gonna try on a pair of Beyond Yoga pants, and I got them from Stitch Fix, and they're pretty pricey. I think they were $80-something. I got them in a size extra small, and they're the midi length. Now, the color I was supposed to get them in is black, and then I get them here, and they're called black on here, but they're almost like a heather black, like a dark charcoal gray. I don't know if you could see that. It's like heathered. And these I got in extra small, and I'm going, oh my gosh, I know they're leggings, but how the heck am I going to squeeze my body into these? So I'm going to attempt them, but I don't think they're going to fit. And I thought the midi leggings were going to be too long on me, but these actually do look like they're a good length. Serena from Style with Serena always says she gets the midi length and that they're a regular size on her, full length. So I had thought I'd tried these on in the midi length and they were too long, but apparently maybe I was wrong. So give me a minute, let me throw these on, because if these don't work, I want to also get these in the mail before our next mail is on Monday. All right, give me a minute. Okay, surprisingly, these fit. So they are still quite long for me. They're a full length. On me, they look like they're going to be short. They're definitely full length. They're okay. But I think I'm going to keep them because I love the way they feel, and I'm going to be taking some extra classes, and I think I could use another pair of leggings, and I have like nothing in this color. Even though they say black, they're really a dark charcoal gray. So here's the back of them. I'm also going to look at the footage to make sure they make my butt look okay. And then I'll decide whether or not I keep them. All right? So I just wanted to show you these two things very quickly in case you were coveting either of them and how they fit and whether or not you should get them. So my review is on the faux leather joggers. They're nothing special. They're nothing like the Magical Spanx leggings. The Magical Spanx leggings, the faux leather ones, highly recommend them. They transform your body. The joggers, they just, because they aren't compression and they're a looser fit, and they just didn't do anything. They were just okay, and I much rather spend my money elsewhere or get faux leather joggers from the Loft that are much cheaper and kind of give me the same result. All right, thank you again, and happy holidays to everyone. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button, and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me, and give it a thumbs up. Take care, and until next time.